How you doing? Here's a package that just arrived from Amazon. Pretty big package, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Something I ordered yesterday, but since I'm a Prime member, it came quickly. Let's give it a quick open. And here's what I ordered, another box. Let's take out our trusty knife again. Give it a quick cut. Okay, let me close this up so I don't kill myself. Yep, I knew it. So here we have the double E number E635-003 RC bus. So that looks amazing. That looks like a New York City Transit bus. Very nice box. Very nice display. Got the transmitter. It's got a little carrying handle. Oh, look at the back, even has a nice city landscape. Okay, manufactured by Double E. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. Seems to be stuck. Just takes a little wiggling. There's some instructions, one page. It's all in English. Let me start pulling out the bus and the transmitter, and we'll go over it. Okay, so this is what we get. We get the bus, we get the transmitter, we get a Shuangying HiCad 300 4.8 volt battery, and a one-page set of instructions. So it looks like the controller needs batteries. It does have a screw. It also has an on-off switch. Let's turn that off. Two AA batteries. Let's install those before we shut it off. Let's make sure it works. Works. Let's reinstall this. And let's reinstall that screw. Okay. So here's the bus. It's not. It's pretty detailed. It's pretty generic, but it's the Double Eagle. It's going to the Toy Fair. It's taking the line 635. Has a telephone number. Rubber tires. Once again, another screw for where the battery goes. Let's pop this open. Let's see if this has any juice. Okay. So this will plug into here. I'm just going to place this in for now. I'm probably going to have to charge this. I won't screw it in. This really isn't held any specific way. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like it has some trim here and also has an on-off switch. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Oh, we heard that that loud horn. The light started flashing. I guess they're going to continue to flash until you bind it with the transmitter. You got the taillights flashing. Let's put it on the ground and see what it does. Okay, let's turn our transmitter on. Oh, looks like that bound right away. As soon as I turned the transmitter on, the bus made a noise. Let's see what happens. Okay. So we got two buttons here. I don't know what they do. Actually, these are fake buttons. I'm assuming this is forward, backwards, left, right. Let's see what happens. Okay, so our left button starts it. Let's see what our middle button does. Middle button makes the horn go off. And let's see what our last button does. That is very cool. The horn. So let's try and give it some forward. So as you go forward on the joystick, the headlights light up and the taillights light up, and you hear like an engine sound. You put it in reverse and you got a beeping sound. As you turn the wheel, when you're going forward, you get a blinking sound and the headlight blinks for the direction that you're going. Now there are two top buttons. I did see another review where as you're going and you hit the buttons, it's like you're shifting gears. So let's see, we're going to go forward and we're going to shift. And it goes a little faster as you shift the buttons. It's pretty quick, this bus. So that's about it. This was about $35 on Amazon. And you hit this button, it shuts it off. Let's see if we can start it again. Left button starts and then you hear the engine sound. That's your horn. And I think the coolest part is you opening and closing the doors. So this was the double E RC bus, 2.4 gigahertz. I think it's going to be pretty fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and look forward to giving you more videos. Thank you.